and welcome to episode 5 of BRANCHLINE, which is this late starter beginner's look at setting up a model railway layout and a diversion from my photography channel. So if you're interested in seeing more of this, please like and comment below and leave any questions or comments that you might have. So my learning curve this week has all been about the shunting area of the layout, which is intended to be these 3 sidings here, which is going to be an Inglenook shunting puzzle area. Needs another straight here and another straight on one of the 2 extra sidings at the top. The idea will be to include some uncoupling ramps in the sidings so the wagons and the loco can uncouple without me having to do it myself. I didn't really know much about uncoupling ramps, and my first purchase was this Hornby R620, 620 Rerailer and uncoupling ramp. So it's a combined piece of straight track really. It's the length of an R600. And the intention is that, first of all, it makes it easier apparently to put your wagons or your loco on the track. And it's got the little uncoupling ramp so that wagons should uncouple easily when they come over that area of ramp. You can see, if you get it in the right spot, the uncoupler lifts up. Okay, so that's the idea of that. So it's a Rerailer and an uncoupler. They are pieces of straight track, so I would have to replace a straight track with one of those if I want to use it, and you can see here that that's what I did. I moved it from one of the upper sidings into this area of the Inglenook shunting puzzle where there should be 3 wagons, and so the idea is the loco will come from here, uncouple with the wagons here and leave the wagons along this stretch here. Now the other uncoupling ramp I bought was the Hornby R617, and I bought 3 of those. The problem is that they don't really clip on properly. They just don't sit tightly into the rails. There's an area on a piece of straight track that is slightly recessed, and these 2 tiny clips here I think are meant to sit in there. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't, but the problem is even when they do, there's nothing at the other end for them to clip into. They just don't clip between the sleepers. I struggled with that really. Got 3 of them and none of them sit in tightly. I did contact Hornby, who said that there might be an issue with the mouldings on some of these, and they're going to try a couple for me and send them out as replacements if they work for them. So that'll be interesting, and again I'd like to hear from you if you've had problems with these yourself. So that's the plan really. I'm going to get these to work, perhaps with some glue. I'll see what happens with the Hornby replacements, and so then there should be an Inglenook siding puzzle here with the right uncouplers or uncouplers that work. That's as far as I've got so far. The next step will be wiring, and I'm looking at the Pico pre-soldered wiring droppers, if you like, for that job next. I hope you're finding my struggles with setting up a model railway interesting. Please subscribe. If you do, I'll be back with more headaches next time. Bye for now.